Hey guys, David here. Welcome to Digital Outlook, where you're gonna find the best community in all of crypto. In today's video, XRP hits major milestone, reaching an all-time high. So guys, without further ado, why don't we get to it? So guys, right now, we're all hearing that narrative, oh, nothing's happening with XRP. Why aren't we seeing any movement? How come we're not seeing any major things transpire? And on and on and on. Guys, you got to take your eyes off the small day-to-day stuff that goes on, and especially these little itty-bitty things that go on, this consolidation with that day-to-day price action, because guys, the real value is in the protocol. Now, think about it in this way. $100. Hey, 5 years from now, $100 is still going to be $100, isn't it? But what is that $100 going to actually buy you? What is its value? Guys, when you look at these ecosystems, you got to look down the road and see the value. And guys, I believe a great day is absolutely coming for this ecosystem, and I think it's going to come a whole lot sooner than most people think. Now, guys, I want to show you something truly phenomenal. Just take a look at this article right over here and just check out this title. Is it XRP moon time? XRP blockchain processed an all-time high, get this guys, of 6.9 million transactions in one day. Now, for all those folks out there that are saying, hey, nobody's using XRP, guys, this right here blows that whole supposition absolutely away. Now, listen to this article right over here. The sheer weight of the XRP ledger transaction count just before the new year has sparked excitement in the community about XRP's potential. Recently, a prominent XRP blockchain explorer XRP scan called attention to the growing daily transaction count on the XRP ledger. In a post on X, XRP Scan disclosed that the XRP ledger achieved a record-breaking milestone on December 30th, 2023. It noted that the blockchain processed an all-time high of 6.862 million transactions just in one day. Now listen to this. The post stated that the figure surpassed the previous record of approximately 5 million daily transactions in November of 2021. Meanwhile, data from XRP Scan reveals that the number of processed transactions has risen from the 6.8 million reported in the tweet to a new record of 6.931 million transactions. This new record was set on New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2023. Guys, this is telling us a lot about what is going on the XRP ledger. I mean, we are seeing a number of transactions happen, and a lot of them, guys, think about it. It's the end of the year. It's holiday time. It's New Year's. It's cross-border payments utilizing the XRP ledger and, of course, XRP to facilitate those transactions. Now, listen to how they have it here. It says, moreover, according to the XRP scan statistics, the transactions demonstrated an impressive 99% success rate. Also, the report indicated that the upward trend in XRP transaction count, get this, paralleled a new record high for payment transactions. It is right there, guys. It is not about people just moving their XRP onto exchanges or off of exchanges onto their hardware wallets or that. No, these are transactions that absolutely demonstrate how XRP is being used in cross-border payment transactions, and that is absolutely phenomenal. Don't discount it. It is these little indicators that show us where this ecosystem is going and how it's being used. I mean, you have got to be kidding. In all the 13 years, you have just breached an absolute new all-time high of 6.9 million transactions just in one day. 99% success rate on those transactions. That is truly mind-blowing and shows us the utility of this ecosystem in a powerful, powerful way. Now, to elaborate, data from the XRP Ledger Explorer revealed that XRP payments peaked at 5.998 on New Year's Eve, the last instance of a comparable surge payment transactions on XRP Ledger was observed on November 29th, 2019 with a total of 3.2 million XRP payments. And another on-chain metric related to XRP that mirrored the transaction count uptick was the NFT token mint, which reached an all-time high of 216,000 on December 31st. This new achievement has excited bullish commentary from the crypto community as it demonstrates the network scalability. Not just scalability, guys, it's absolute utility. When you're talking about the wide world and the liquidity crisis that we're in right now, and you're talking about cross-border payments, and by the way, guys, when we enter into this new central bank digital currency type of system that is being developed and more than likely going to begin to be released in 2024, 2025, with, of course, the full onboarding of the ISO 222 messaging standard by 2025, when you consider that, the bridge asset being XRP, guys, we're talking about genuine global utility, and it's going to be wild. The surge in transaction is likely caused by the recent emergence of XRP 20 inscriptions on the network. And listen to this right here. Wow, onward and upward. A Dublin-based crypto enthusiast commented. Another user remarked, very cool, enjoying using for the smooth, fast, and extremely low failure rate of transactions. Similarly, a notable figure in the crypto community expressed a sentiment that heightened the transaction is a stress test laying the ground for XRP's boom time. Meanwhile, some commentators, of course, are out there voicing skepticism about the uptick in XRP transactions. And don't kid yourself, I'm absolutely expecting all the FUDsters to come out and just lace the comment section with all the FUD they possibly can. Guys, you can't undo what's already been done. You can't deny the utility of XRP and the XRP ledger and the problem that it is solving on a global level. Now, guys, I want you to see this right over here. XRP's main partner in Japan, and who is that guy? SBI, highlights XRP price progress. Now, listen to this. SBI Venture Capital Trade CEO Tomohiko Kondo celebrates remarkable year for XRP, highlighting its unexpected surge and strategic collaborations. Now, just listen to this. In a recent social media address, Tomohiko Kondo, SBI Venture Capitalist Trade Representative Director and CEO, expressed gratitude to customers and stakeholders, attributing the success of the company to the remarkable surge in the crypto asset market. Kondo highlighted the stellar performance, pardon the pun in there, of XRP, a key focus of SBI VC Trade and the broader SBI conglomerate. The crypto market's unexpected recovery at the beginning of the year saw significant gains for major assets. Bitcoin surged from 2.1 million JPY to approximately 6 million JPY, while Ethereum experienced an impressive jump from 150,000 to 330,000 JPY. Of particular note, XRP, as emphasized by Kondo, soared from 45 GPY to 88. Guys, that's literally, you are watching practically a 100% increase. Now, down over here, reflecting on the year, Kondo characterized it as a period of upward momentum, underscoring the company's success and the positive trajectory of the crypto market. SBI, one of Japan's largest Financial Structures continues to actively collaborate with Ripple, cementing their partnership with a joint venture announcement earlier this year. Kondo also highlighted the pivotal role of SBI Ripple Asia in this collaboration. SBI holds a majority stake with 60%, while Ripple Labs holds the remaining 40%. This entity is set to introduce Ripple's XRP-enabled remittance solution to bank accounts in Southeast Asia. Guys, we are talking about literally, in fact, the head of SBI came out and said practically every bank in Japan will be utilizing XRP for remittances between banks. And that's literally what you're talking. And it's XRP enable remittance. We're not just talking about this being good for Ripple. We're talking about the utilization of XRP going right back to this major uptick in the transactions. And it is literally right there. The implementation, get this, is to commence this month of January, marking a significant step towards increasing the utility of XRP in Southeast Asia. Guys, it is going to be on like Donkey Kong. Don't kid yourself. Big things are happening. Now, listen to this right over here. Ripple affiliate XRP could be primed for a significant price increase with possible Elliott wave completion in sight. Now listen to this technical analysis right over here. Ripple affiliate XRP token is exhibiting a noteworthy pattern that could indicate an imminent price movement. According to Matthew Dixon, the CEO of fintech and analytics platform Avi, XRP's chart is forming a structure that, if aligned with previous Bitcoin trends, suggests a thrust higher might be on the horizon. The analyst comes at a time when XRP's price shows a subtle uptick in the 24-hour range. The Elliott wave theory, a form of technical analysis that traders use to predict price movements by identifying recurring wave patterns, suggests that market cycles driven by the psychology of investors. If this is correct for XRP, then it would align very well with the previous BTC chart posted here. So perhaps D&E wave to complete before the thrust higher. And that's coming out of Matthew Dixon. That was posted on X. According to this theory, a complete cycle consists of 8 waves. Now 5 are impulses up and 3 are corrective down. Waves that move the overall trend are followed by 3 corrective waves against it. That's exactly right. Now, Dixon's analysis points to the completion of an Elliott wave pattern on the XRP chart, a technical forecasting method that anticipates market trends based on investor psychology manifested through waves. His interpretation suggests that XRP is nearing the end of its corrective D and E waves, postulating that a subsequent thrust, a sharp price increase, could follow. Now, Elliott wave theory can provide insights, but of course it's not infallible. We're talking about theory based. But guys, history, yeah, it doesn't repeat, but boy, does it ever rhyme. And we have been here before. We have literally seen this kind of price action. And you've got, Confluence coming out of Blockchain Backer, CoinsKid, eGreg Crypto, Dark Defender, and a lot of other technical analysis folks. And to get all those guys agreeing at one time, now that's phenomenal. But they're all saying, hey, listen, we are coming to a crossroads where we're about to see something big happen within this XRP ecosystem, and it certainly is lining up with the fundamentals. Now listen to this bit here, something that I've wanted to touch on for a while because it comes out every single month. Now, massive 800 million XRP returned to escrow by Ripple. Now, how many times, guys, have you been reading in the comments where someone comes out, oh, Ripple just unlocked 1 billion XRP and they're going to dump it on the retail market. Oh my goodness, guys. Every single month, the way in which escrow works is a amount is released, and usually it's about 1 billion XRP that gets released. And literally within about 24 hours, majority of it gets all locked back up, and it's like like a revolving situation for the escrow. And that's what helps balance the ecosystem for XRP. Now, having said that, the 200 million that were left over, guys, those do not, Ripple has not sold one XRP to the retail market since 2019. Where have they been selling it? Guys, they have literally been selling it to on-demand liquidity partners, now called Ripple Payments. And that's where you're seeing this major uptick of 6.9 million transactions in one day. It's because it's being utilized. And you got it being utilized in Southeast Asia. You got it being utilized for cross-border payments. XRP is absolutely seeing the adoption that we're saying that it's seeing. It is literally being used. And this is where you need to know what all this is about and not listening to the fuzzers who will come out and try to throw as much confusion and absolute distraction as they possibly can, because they cannot stand to acknowledge that XRP represents a superior technology and a use case that is second to none when it comes to this whole cross-border remittance and the solving of the whole nostro vostro around the wide world. Now, just listen to this article right over here. According to Whale Alert reporting, Ripple sent back 800 million XRP worth about 492.5 million to its escrow system after unlocking, like I was just saying there, 1 billion worth of XRP, about 610 million, on January 1st, 2024. This action is part of Ripple's monthly routine of releasing and relocking a fixed amount of XRP from its escrow. Per crypto data tracker Whale Alert, the XRP move back to the Ripple escrow was done in 2 transactions. In the first transaction, Ripple relocked 500 million XRP worth $300 and some million to its escrow. The second transaction returned to Ripple escrow was 300 million XRP valued at $184 million. This comes after Ripple performed its monthly unlock of XRP tokens from its escrow. Ripple released 1 billion XRP from its escrow earlier today in 3 transactions of 500 million, 400 million, and 100 million, according to Whale Alert. Ripple's holdings are divided into 2 categories: XRP that presently owns in its wallets and XRP that is subject to on-ledger escrow lockups that will be released monthly for the next 39 months. Ripple does not have access to the latter category of XRP until the escrow releases it to Ripple monthly. The vast majority of this XRP released is returned to escrow. Guys, don't listen to these fudsters that are trying to tell you that every month Ripple dumps 1 billion XRP on the retail market and we're the only ones that are absolutely feeding. That is just sheer and utter hogwash. And in fact, if you go to Ripple's website and you look up their quarterly reports, you'll literally find that they sell hundreds of millions of dollars of XRP per quarter to on-demand liquidity partners that are absolutely utilizing that XRP. So the use case is on like Donkey Kong. Now, the Ripple escrow system was launched in December 2017 to ensure predictability and stability of the XRP market. This escrow mechanism is planned to last until all 55 billion XRP have been released. At the time of writing, XRP was trading at 62 cents, down 0.21. You see, all that XRP that was released there really didn't have a major impact on where the price is. We are just consolidating, guys, right now. And ask yourself this: have you achieved all your accumulation goals? Because I'll tell you what, if you haven't, the day is going to come when you are going to look back and thank our blessed God for the ability to purchase XRP at the prices that we see today. I genuinely believe that. And listen to this: in the last 24 hours, it had a market capitalization of 33.56 billion, making it the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Guys, I want to ask you something. Have you ever looked at the world money supply? You ought to look at that, because when you're looking at the world money supply, do you know how small this digital asset space is in comparison to the global money supply? I mean, you've had Larry Fink talk about the tokenization of securities. Well, globally, that in and of itself is 89 point some trillion dollars. And you just imagine just a small bit of that coming over into this digital asset space. It could cause these 33 billion. That is nothing in comparison. You could literally see a 1 trillion, maybe a 2 to 3 trillion dollar market cap for XRP. The global real estate market, tokenizing real estate on NFTs. Hey, that's 360 trillion. And forget about that, the derivatives market. And we're talking all the money into the quadrillions. Guys, I'm telling you, it won't take too much to move this market 10x it, 20x it, 50x it, 100x it, and you could literally see some mind-blowing numbers that will literally stagger what most people will think. That last bull run, and it was just a blip, literally revolutionized our lives. Judy and I, our lives were changed by that last bull run. This next one, I'm absolutely convinced is going to change lives. Guys, don't miss it. I want to see you sitting right there. Get on board and get buckled up because this rocket ship is ready to blast off. So guys, I can't tell you enough just how vitally important it is going to be for you to get your plan in place for this next bull run. And what our coaching program offers, that is where you and I can meet personally one-on-one for 1 hour over Zoom. And during that time, I share with you our personal journey in that last bull run and what enabled Judy and I to experience some amazing financial success. I share with you the mistakes we made so that you don't have to fall into the same pitfalls we did. We take a look at your portfolio and make sure that it's balanced towards your goals, and we work together to develop your exit strategy. We can even get your assets off an exchange and onto a hardware wallet, along with delivering to you some amazing techniques that are really going to help you in this space. Now, the cost of that is $250, and if that's something that interests you, you write me right there at coaching@thedigital.outlook.com and we'll get y'all booked in. So guys, this is the video I have for you today, and as always, I truly hope that you enjoyed it. Now, many of you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this isn't financial advice, but if you found value in it, if you'd hit that like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Hey, don't forget to put your comments right down there in the comment section and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our regularly released videos. So, in the meantime, and in between time, stay safe, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next one.